The objective of this short video is to show how permissions work in the file store. Let's start with the roles. There's a column in the roles table associated with the file store, and each role gets one of three permissions. None means the volunteer can't even see the file store tab. View, the usual permission, means the volunteer can see and access files in the file store. Their access will be controlled by folder permissions. Manage means they have read and write access to any file in the file store and can set folder permissions. Be careful about who you give manage access to. As with all role-based permissions, you get the highest access conferred by any of your roles. Let's move on to the file store itself. We're logged into an account with Filestore Manage Permission. So when we open a folder, we can see a button for folder permissions. If you don't have Filestore Manage access, you won't see the folder permissions button. Selecting that button lets us see and alter the folder permissions. In this case, the manager role has Filestore Manage permission associated with it, and so we can't change the fact that it can read and write by default. The treasurer has been given read and write access to this folder, and that can be changed. The committee and share member roles have been given read access. All other roles have no access to this folder. As ever, you get the highest access conferred by any of your roles. And that's it. Thank you.